Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Open your presentation and save a copy. You will export from the copy so you keep the original. You should set slide size and aspect ratio first, because changing later can mess layouts. Next, finalize any animations and choose whether to record narrations or set automatic slide timings. Recording now embeds your voice. Once done, check transitions and rehearsal timings to ensure playback matches your intended pacing before moving to the export menu. You'll now export. Go to File, Export, Create a Video. Choose resolution based on audience, 1080p for most, 4K for high detail. Higher resolution increases file size and export time. Then pick whether to use recorded timings and narrations or to assign uniform seconds per slide. Using recorded audio preserves your voiceover. Click Create Video, choose Mp4 as the format, give the file a clear name and folder, and watch the progress bar. The export may take minutes to hours. After export, play the Mp4 from start to finish on the target device to confirm audio sync, timings, and visual quality. This is the final QA step. If the file is too large, re-export at a lower resolution or use a video compressor. Make sure compression preserves audio. If audio is missing, reopen the copy, verify narrations are embedded, and that create a video used recorded timings. If exports fail, restart PowerPoint and try again. Temporary glitches often clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.